Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore Ellen Wille. I've been waiting to make this video for a while. I have a lot of Ellen Wille styles. I'm going to break this video up into two separate videos because I do have a lot. Now today's video is going to be my shorter styles. The next video will be some medium to longer length styles. So I'm going to break it up in two parts. It's going to work like all of these videos do that I make that are multiple styles. If you see something you want to know more about, just go to the drop down box below. I'll have a link to all of the reviews. There may be a couple of these that I have not reviewed yet, but I'm going to get to them. But I will link all the reviews that I have in the drop down box below this video. I'm not reviewing each one of these, I'm just showing them to you. But you will be able to see color, cap construction, everything you need to know about a wig will be in the link below this video. Also, all of these wigs came from wigstudio1.com. I either bought them myself or they were sent to me for previous review. Now there are a lot of blondes. The reason being, like I said, I buy the majority of my wigs and I buy blondes because that's what I wear. But I have, if you haven't noticed, I have branched out to a lot of different colors. Reds, some brunettes, and a lot of things. But the majority of these are blondes. All right, let's get started and explore Ellen Wille. This is Ellen Wille Coco and Champagne Rooted. Now, as we go along in this review, and as I'm showing you these different styles, I'm going to comment on the ones that fit, how the fit is for me. So that might give you a little idea how these fit on you. Again, I have a 21 and a quarter inch head circumference. This one fits me perfectly well. I have not done anything to it at all. Now, short, spiky, out of the box. Really tight nape. You can move your head any way in this. It's not going anywhere. This could not be any easier, any more fun. If you're looking for a short, fun style, check this one out. This is Ellen Wille Open in Sand Multi-Rooted. I know you've seen me review this many times before. Again, short, fun style. I have had Open, I have repurchased this probably a minimum 5-6 times. I love Open. I wore it to every chemo treatment when I was having chemo. I've worn it, I think, to every follow-up doctor's appointment all these years later. I keep just repurchasing this wig because it just works. It fits me a tiny bit large. I'm going to let you know that. I have pulled it in on both sides on Open, so just to let you know that. Like I said, I'm going to comment on the fit, so if you have a little larger head, you might know which of these will work for you. Again, out of the box styling, couldn't be any easier. Check out Ellen Wille Open. This is Ellen Wille Satin in Champagne Rooted. Now, this is a hand-tied top, so just to let you know, fits me perfectly. I haven't made any adjustments in it. This is a little longer in the nape. It has the slightest wave, which I think makes this really feminine, a beautiful style. A little longer on the top, the layers are a little longer. You can still have room to tuck it behind your ear if you would like. Lots you can do with this. Ellen Wille Satin. This is Select Soft in Pearl Mix. Now this is hand tied as well, and this fit me pretty snug, just so you know. I like this is a true boy cut, out of the box, throw on and go style. It doesn't get much easier than this. This is Blues in Silver Blonde Rooted. You've probably seen me wear this a lot. I've reviewed it several times. This is probably one of the most low density wigs I own. If you're looking for something super, super low density, have a look at this one. Short nape. This fits me perfectly, no adjustment needed. And like I said, super low density, and it has a mono crown, and it has these cute bangs, easy to wear, easy to style. Ellen Wille Blues. All right, this is Charlotte in Ginger Rooted. I love ginger rooted. I think this is such a pretty color. Another throw on and go. Out of the box. Throw some water. Just run some water through it. You are out the door in 10 seconds. So easy. Another short, fun style. This is Ellen Wille Push-Up in Sandy Blonde Rooted. Now, this one I have adjusted in. It was a little large on me, and this is another that I have repurchased several times. I have enjoyed this wig. Another throw on and go. I literally put it on, put some water in it, run my fingers through it. As you see, the wilder it gets, the better I like it. I want it to be piecey. I want it to be fun. I don't want it that doesn't look like a wig. Just throw this on, run your hands through it, and go. I really enjoy these short wigs with all these spiky layers. This is Date Mono in Tobacco Mix, and another one that I had to bring in a little. It was a little large on me. This one, again, has a little longer top, as you can see. Easy to work with, easy to piece out. You can wear it on or off your face because it has a mono top, so there's versatility here. On your, behind your ears or not, it's up to you. This is Ellen Wille Sunset in Platinum Blonde Rooted. Okay, so another super low density style, A-line, asymmetrical cut here, which has of course been so popular. I like this little longer front. It gives you a little more versatility to really change things up if you would like. You can put it behind your ears on both sides, wear it back. This fit me perfectly. I haven't done anything to it as far as adjusting the size. So have a look at Sunset. This is Ellen Wille Next in Pearl Blonde Rooted. Now, this one did fit me a little large. And again, as I'm talking about this, I cannot guarantee how any of these will fit on you. I can only speak to my experience. And like I said, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. So hopefully this will be some help to you if you're considering some of these wigs. Now, Next is another one that I have really enjoyed and have repurchased often. Short nape. One thing about Ellen Wille, I think their napes always fit so well. I never worry about them lifting. This again has a little longer front, sweeping across, so you can do a little more with it if you would like. You could pin this back, put a barrette in it, it'd be adorable. Okay, this is Devine in Dark Snow Rooted. Another fairly new style from Ellen Wille, asymmetrical. Short nape. You can do a lot with this again due to it having, you can pull this back and clip it back, would be really cute. Pull it off your face, wear it off your face, has a nice root. This is one again that fit me, this is a hand-tied cap, and it did fit me a little large. I have adjusted it on both sides with the adjusters. And this color, wow, I love it. Alright, this is Ellen Wille Dance in Candy Blonde Tipped. Now this is a little longer, as you can see. I have purchased this several times, and I will tell you, this fits me quite large. I have the adjusters pulled in all the way on this style. Now, if you like the whole beachy wave vibe, I do for sure. That's been so popular, but you think sometimes they're too much hair, I would encourage you to have a look at this one. It's short enough. It doesn't rub your collars. You can see it's a very, very beautiful, comfortable, shattered wave, beachy wave style by Ellen Wille. I hope you enjoyed that look at a few of the short Ellen Wille styles that I truly love and have enjoyed wearing over the years. And they're always coming out with so many new beautiful things. I'm going to, like I said, have a second part to this coming up in a week or so. That'll be some longer styles, and I have some even really longer ones. So be sure to see that. Don't want to miss that. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go over there and follow me at CrazyWigLady. I have a lot of different content on my Instagram channel. Again, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.